Are you craving a glamorous transformation that will make heads turn wherever you go? Look no further. Welcome to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever, where we bring out the ultimate guide to chic and stylish haircuts that will breathe new life into your looks and unleashes your inner trendsetter. Get ready to dive into the world of hair fashion as I present a curated collection of the cutting edge hairstyle suitable for all hair type and lengths. So guys, remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future haircut, hair care and beauty updates. Let's celebrate the individuality, self-expression and the joy of experimenting with your hair. Unleashes your inner trendsetter today. So guys, are you ready for these trendsetter and all the unique ideas achieving? So this video is for you. Please pick up all the ideas from this video and enhance the beauty of your hairs. So are you ready to embark on the hair transformation like no other? Don't hesitate to hit that play button and discover the magic of stylish haircuts that will redefine your personal style and elevate your confidence. Get ready to become the center of attention with your newfound glamorous and chic appearance. So guys, pick up the new ideas from my video. In this mesmerizing video, you can obtain very classic and timeless look with a modern twist to daring and edge styles. We have not got something for everyone to experiment with and feel fabulous. Join us as we explore the stunning bob haircut ideas about all these elegance, perfect for those seeking a redefine your contemporary appearance. We will also unveil the secret behind the textures and layered cut, giving your hair more depth and movement for a vibrant and dynamic allure. For the more adventurous souls, you will not want to miss our segments on symmetrical and undercut styles that can boldness and individuality. This video is for you. Thank you.